Hey everybody, I'm Logan Alec. I'm a CPA on Choice Tax Relief. One of the strategies we use to help our clients who owe at least $10,000 in back tax debt to the IRS is something called CNC, or currently non-collectible status. If we can prove to the IRS that you are completely unable to make payments to them right now, then we can place you in this status called CNC. It's also known as hardship status. We do it to prove it and do have to make our arguments for it, but it is a possibility. And while you're in this status, you don't have to make payments to the IRS. IRS can't go after your bank account, can't go after your wages. They will still take your tax refund, yes, but of course you can plan around that. They just plan to simply not have a tax refund that the IRS can take. Anyway, I don't want to get too much into the weeds on CNC because I've already created a whole video about it. Link to that video at the top of the screen. But what I do want to talk about is Anne's comment here, her question, whether getting into CNC status will stop or pause or put a hold on the IRS's 10-year collection statute of limitations. And the answer to that question, Anne, is no. And that's actually a very good thing, because you want that 10-year statute of limitations to run, because once it's run out, the IRS cannot collect from you anymore. They can't go after you for those taxes anymore. And if you look at your account transcript, it writes off that balance from your account with the IRS. This is a very good thing. And so CNC can be a wonderful thing. If someone can stay in CNC or currently non-collectible status until that 10-year statute of limitations runs out, then they've won. They've won the CNC jackpot, so to speak, because they're able to stay in CNC status until the tax debt ran out, until the IRS's 10-year collection statute ran out, and now they don't have to deal with that tax debt anymore. It's off of their shoulders, and that's an amazing thing. Again, I don't want to get too much into CNC, but I will say that once you're in CNC status, you have to stay in it. So for example, if you get a windfall or something that the IRS knows about, like you win the lottery or something, they're probably going to want to revisit your CNC placement. Okay, so, we generally reserve our CNC arguments for folks for whom, it doesn't seem their financial situation is going to change very much, either in terms of assets or income, until their tax debt drops off. So that's a good profile for CNC. Good question, Anne. It's an important one, and it does play heavily into lots of our strategies in getting the best possible resolution for our clients with IRS back tax debt. Now, if you owe the IRS at least $10,000 or more, or your state, or you have multiple years of unfiled tax returns and you qualify for a free consultation with us here at Choice Tax Relief, give us a call, 866-8000-TAX. That's 866-8000-829 to schedule your free consultation. Or you can go to choicetaxrelief.com, fill out the form on our website, and we will reach out to you. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.